Welcome to ScanWorks. In this video, we'll walk through the steps to request and install a license for ScanWorks. Requesting and installing a ScanWorks license is done through the D365 interface. Here are the processes we'll cover: generating a ScanWorks license request and installing the new ScanWorks license. Let's get into it. Here are the steps to request a ScanWorks license. Step 1. Log into D365 as an administrator. Step 2. Navigate to the DSI ScanWorks module. Administration. Server and license management. In this screen, click on the Server License tab. Step 3. On the Action pane, click on the Create Request button. This will open a Save File dialog box that will prompt you to save the license on your computer. Step 4. Send an email to ScanWorks support team at support@scanworks.com and attach the license request file you just downloaded. Step 5. The ScanWorks support team will process your request and email you back a new ScanWorks license. Here are the steps to install a ScanWorks license. Step 1. Log into D365 as an administrator. Step 2. Navigate to the DSI ScanWorks module. Administration. Server and license management. In this screen, click on the Server License tab. Step 3. On the Action pane, select the Install License button. Step 4. Browse to the license file you received from the ScanWorks team. And select the file, then click Open. Step 5. You should now see new license information with the user count, number of servers, and the expiration date. Besides D365, you can view the license expiration date on the ScanWorks login screen. The next steps will guide you on linking your ScanWorks server or servers to your D365 environment in the Server License tab. If you have already configured your servers here, you can skip this step. Step 6. Click the New button while still in the Server License tab and create a record that corresponds to the server hosting ScanWorks. Step 7. Select the drop-down list under Server Name and pick the appropriate ScanWorks server. If the ScanWorks server is not listed, it can be typed in. Remember to use server's name, but not an IP address. Step 8. After the server name field has been selected, assign the number of users to the licensed user count field. Once you are done creating the server record, hit Save and attempt to use ScanWorks as normal. If you have multiple servers, you can allocate the licensed user count to each server based on your specific needs. Click Save when you are done. Now, your ScanWorks application suite is updated with new license information. If you have any questions or need help with installing the ScanWorks license, feel free to reach out. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insights into warehouse optimization and Microsoft Dynamics solutions.